guys, I am super excited to share with you my winter 2020 FabFitFun box. I love these boxes so much, and you can get it for $39.99 for your first box when you use my code. Now, what really blows me away with this is that you get 8 full-size products, and the boxes are always worth over $200. I feel like us ladies, we're so busy taking care of everyone around us and everything around us that maybe we just don't spend enough time on ourselves, and this is a really fun way to try some new stuff. And not only like that, you get to customize, so you get to choose things that go in your box along with some surprises. But I thought that would be really fun just to open this up together. Okay, yes, I did have this open because I wanted to unwrap this, because the second I opened it I was like, this is super soft and I need to touch it immediately. They always come with a FabFitFun magazine, and not only that, it always has some Boss Babe on the front. Look, Katie Couric, telling the untold stories. I'm gonna be going deep on that one. And these are the things that are in your boxes. There's so many, and it tells you about them and where you can order more of them. I just love the options, and look at that, healthcare heroes and cancer warriors. Talking about what's really important. Now, this robe, of course, we all love like super snuggly stuff. And as soon as I saw this was an option, I was like, this is the softest thing. It's obviously a color I've been vibing with lately, but we know the winter is cold. We want to be warm. Look at this. Okay, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I just want to put this on my body. Oh, it has pockets. Nothing is more important than pockets, my dudes. Okay, enough about the robe. I know I want to go deep, but like, I think it's the fact that it's just super thick. Do you know what I mean? Okay, next up, this one, as soon as I opened the box, I could smell, and like, I mean that in the most magical, beautiful way in the whole entire world. I can't wait to see. Okay, so it is the Spongelle Tea Blossom Cleanse, Exfoliate, Massage, Nourish, with extracts of yuzu, elderweiss, and vetiver. Okay, so let's exfoliate. Oh, it's like a loofah full of goodness. Oh my gosh. That is like one of those clean, like, you know when you go to those really bougie spas? That is what this smells like. Oh, and it's full of, the moisture. Benefits: body wash, buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Oh my gosh. It's paraben free for all skin types. Okay, that's like my whole jam. And then, okay, what is this? Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice 12 Will Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, cinnamon. This means it's gonna be, yes, I bet, warm tones. Yes. Look at that. Oh, it's like a rose gold. Okay, we have to swatch this color. It is stunning. Oh my gosh, get ready? Oh, look at how bronze that is. That is like a sugar plum goddess moment. Look at all of those right there. Wow. Oh, they have the names. Okay, we got chai latte, livin' la vida mocha, espresso yourself, oat milk, salted caramel, cold brew, cinnamon dolce, frosted sugar, pumpkin spice, sweet foam, apple cider, and gingerbread. I just want to sing some carols. Okay, that is wonderful. Okay. What do we have next? Oh, yes. There is nothing. Do you want to, who carries a purse? I know people carry purses, but I have not for good years, and I love these, and I go through them. It is perfect. You just literally pop like a couple bills in there, and then you put the importance, you know, your credit card or someone else's, and, you know, your license, you got your ID, and everything you need to spend, and, you know, couple nickels or dimes will fit in there. But that is such a beautiful color. It's not only like a holiday color, but it's also like an all the time kind of color, and is by Below the Belt. Oh, and you can just be like, hi, yes, charge my card. Okay, what else do we got? Baddington lashes. Look at those. Those are perfect everyday lashes, and it comes with the glue. There's nothing better than a kit that literally comes with the glue. What do we got here? 100% synthetic silk. That's what we love. Nice cruelty-free options right there. Those are gonna look amazing. Next up, looks like we have more makeup. We have Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. Ooh, what color is this? I love the theme of this book. Everything is warm and everything is cozy. This is one of those night in kind of nights. Oh, yes. You can make a whole night out of this box, really, with what we've got so far. We've got some shower stuff. We've got some lashes. We got our little clutch. We got some eyeshadow. And holy crap, Oli! Okay, swatch. Look at the gold that's running through that. Look at that blusher. That's the dream color. I swear, I have been looking for a perfect blusher, but everything is either too orange or too pink or too red. And look at that. That is the perfect combination of it. Phase 0. Yeah, I'm gonna be going deep into everything you've made. Making Moves blusher. I love it. Okay. Now, these I am obsessed with. I have literally chosen these time before because they are just everything. Okay, your kitchen, right? There's too much stuff. It doesn't matter who you are. There's too much stuff in your kitchen. My cutting board little drawer thing is packed. Why are cutting boards so big? It makes no sense. What are you going to do? Slam through a giant hunk of wood into your counter? No! These are super durable, but look at these. Okay, so this one is for red meats. This one is for poultry. Then we have vegetables and fish. And this is perfect because they're like foldable and washable and storable, and they got a nice grit so they don't slide. But I will just never stop loving these. I love you. Thank you. I never thought I'd be so excited about a cutting board, but I am because I'm a grown up now. Okay, last but not least, what do we have here? We have Tarte C Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. 12-hour hydration, hydrochloric acid, algae, squalene, dermatologist tested. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sounding bougie, baby. Okay, Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Look at that packaging. That's got me thinking of some hydration station. Oh, Tarte. What do we have? Wait. Smell test. Oh my gosh. That is the cleanest, lightest, wonderful. That's like you slap that on your face in the morning, and not only are you energized, but you just feel good. It's not one of those like heavy, perfumey smells. Okay, let's rub this in and see how it feels. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Wow, that is not greasy or oily. It is going in my skin, but look, it's leaving it super moisturized. I am obsessed. I wish that there was like a smellometer in cameras, but like, of course there's not, because that's just the way the world is. It's coming though, 2021, I got a job for you. Wow, I am impressed with that. Guys, I can't believe all of this stuff. It's worth over $200 in this box. It blows me away every single time I've gotten one. It is my favorite part of this season. I get my box and I am just pumped. I've used everything to death that I've ever gotten, which is, I think, a really good thing to say about a box. There's lots of subscriptions out there, but nothing really kills it like FabFitFun does. You can customize $200 worth of stuff, 8 full-size products. Go to FabFitFun.com. $39.99 for your first box when you use my code. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this with me because I had fun, and to be honest, I'm gonna go have a bath now and use this stuff and put it on my face and stuff. All right, love you guys. Bye.